Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can browse and search for content on Xulendo using advanced search options. And also, I'll share some tips how you can effectively search and find the content that you're looking for. So let's get started. The first advanced feature is the filters. So how can you utilize filters? Let's take you would like to explore agriculture or any other subject that you would have in mind, say history. So you can go ahead and think of a topic in history, say civilization. That's an interesting topic. So you type civilization, and then uh, when you press enter, you have the results. So how do you expand, or how do you narrow down the results? How do you filter, in other ways, to get more content or less content pertaining to the topic that you would like to explore? So you still have to utilize the filter feature or advanced search feature for you to get the most out of what you're looking for. So you can come here and filter by subject. So you say, okay, I want civilization, and that's history. So you go ahead and click on choose subject or subjects, and then you should be able to have a list of subjects. Then you can go ahead and choose history. So when you do that, that means you're trying to be more specific with the content that you're looking for. And you would say, okay, I want history, not any other history, but history from Form 2 or Form 1, Form 3, or even Form 4. So if you say, I want history from Form 4, if you click on Form 4, now you should be able to have history only related to Form 4. You can even be more specific that, okay, out of all the history from Form 4 that you have, I want the source to be maybe my school, because you prefer to view the content from a particular teacher, or from a particular source. So you say, okay, I would like to explore history from four from my school, or from Xulendo, from us. Or else you say, okay, I want history from Yen, or Fate, or even Norse Masters. So in this case, we're going to use Norse Masters. You say, I want history from four from Norse Masters. So if you click that, that means you're trying to be more specific with the content that you're looking for. You're trying to narrow down the results. And then you say the content type should be, let's say, um, you want Wikipedia's. So you can click on Wikipedia, and then you have all the content. Now you're more specific. So you have returned the information or the material specifically of what is going to be relevant to you at that point. So that's how you can use the advanced feature, which is filters, for you to be more specific and search for content. So what's the tip? What are some of the tips that are going to help you get what you're looking for mostly? So here is tip number one. You can utilize the search bar. So the search bar is designed to recognize some keywords. So I'll still use civilization. So let's take, you don't want to type the whole word civilization in full. Then what are you supposed to do? You can still shorten it, or else you're looking for content that has starts with C. So you can simply go ahead and type maybe CV for civilization, CIV, and then you press enter, or go or search. Now you should be able to have the content that starts with CIV, and then you can still find civilization there. So if you still want to narrow down the results, then you still have to go back to filters and input some more specific filters that you would like to use. So you can have Greek civilization, and Chinese, and all that. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is to utilize relevant tags. So how do you utilize relevant tags? Let's take your you would like to explore content from Form 3. So you go ahead and click on Form 3, and then maybe you want to use you want to view or explore content from biology as a subject. Now you can click on biology, and when you have the topic that you're looking for example, debating the impact of human activities on the environment, now you have relevant tags to your right. Now you can utilize this as another feature or another advanced feature for you to search. Let's take you would like to explore more about climate change. Now you can, instead of you going back to the search bar or to the content category and start the process all over to get to climate change, you can quickly click here, or environment. You can quickly click one of these, and then it will get you to the content related to climate change, effects of and all that. So these are some of the features or things that I wanted to share with you today, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.